Welcome back to Keys to Product Creation Success. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the 10 potential WSO or product creation profit leaks. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure that these 10 things that you're going to see here, that you want to make sure that you close up these gaps. These are the kind of things that will cause you to leave money on the table. And whenever you do a launch, you want to close up as many of those gaps as you can. You can be satisfied with the overall number that you're getting, and that would be great. However, you want to make sure that that number is as high as it can be. And these are the things that are going to help you to be able to make sure that number is as high as it can be. Now, one of the things that you can do to increase the number of sales that your affiliates are going to make is to make sure to give them tools. That means to give them email swipes. That means to give them bonuses, so that they don't have to go hunting for their own bonuses. That means to give them graphics. That means to give them banners. That means to give them the tools that they need to make money however they want to promote your product. So when you don't have those affiliate tools, the affiliates can send emails, but they're going to be limited in the number of ways that they can promote your product. You will see sales that come just as a result of having those tools available to affiliates. One of the ways that some marketers leave money on the table is that they don't have an upsell and or a downsell. Now, many marketers have an upsell or an OTO or a first and second upsell. However, most marketers don't always necessarily have a downsell. And the downsell really is a way of giving your customer the opportunity of coming in at a level with price is an issue, right? Maybe they do want the upsell, they just can't afford it or they can't justify it. But you want to give them an option of being able to get your base package as well as an upsell at a reduced price. Now, of course, you don't want to give away your upsell at a lower price. What you want to do is to make sure to maybe reduce it down to sort of the core elements and just give your buyer the core elements. You can even give your buyer the option of upgrading. But do make sure that you have an upsell, that you have another way or a downsell, which is a price at which your buyer can pay if they don't have the money for the upsell or they don't want to pay it. So make sure you have them both. No exit pop. So when your buyer leaves your page and they're not going to buy, are you giving them the opportunity to opt into your mailing list? And this is especially important if you're paying for traffic. Are you giving them the opportunity to get another offer? Are you getting them the opportunity to get deeper into your marketing funnel? And when you don't have an exit pop, you are leaving those visitors unattended and just allowing them to come to your page and leave. Don't do that. Give your buyers another opportunity to make a decision in order to benefit them and then also to buy more from you. And of course, that leads to the case where you should be capturing leads. And in most cases, someone comes to your sales page, you want to make sure you're capturing the leads if they leave away. And even if they decide to linger, make sure you're capturing leads. If you're going to use a platform like JVZoo or Warrior Plus, there is a way for you to auto capture leads when the sale is made. So take every opportunity in the sales process to make sure that you're lead capturing. You don't know where the traffic is coming from. In some cases with JVZoo actually has a system that they call Product of the Day, as does Warrior Plus. And you can end up getting traffic that is not from your list. And so that traffic is going to be coming from someplace else. You want to make sure you're capturing the lead if they come to your page. Okay, no product insert inside of your bonuses. Now, sometimes what you can do is you can open up the zip files, right? And you can make sure that you have a product insert in there. Give your buyer another opportunity to see some of your other products and services. Maybe give them an opportunity to see an upsell. So you should have a PDF inside of your bonuses with a clickable link so that your buyer can, again, get the opportunity to buy more from you. Okay, no additional offers on the download page. This is really important. When your buyer comes to actually make the purchase, you should have all of your additional, at least your relevant additional products available to them so that they can see them, so they can see the link, so they can make a decision. You should have a graphic and a link to your additional products on your download page. This is going to be vital because you are going to see residual sales when people are at their peak in terms of buying from you. Okay, so give them that opportunity. Give them the opportunity to experience more of the quality that you're offering. Okay, no webinar with your upsell. So in other words, you're going to do an upsell, and you're going to give them additional process. But what you can do when the buyer actually buys, you can auto register them onto a webinar. And typically, what you can do on that webinar is you give people the opportunity to get your upsell or even another upsell. So getting buyers on a webinar is, again, something that you can do. You can do it automatically, and you can automate the process, getting them on and then getting them into a new marketing funnel. Again, another way for you to make profit without a lot of additional income, since people are already getting into your product anyway. No social media presence with viral posts. So in other words, once your buyer buys, they need to get an opportunity to become part of your fan page, an opportunity to connect with you on LinkedIn, an opportunity to connect with you on YouTube, right? And subscribe to you, so that when you begin to send them posts and send them new videos, they should be sharing and liking your stuff and sending it to their friends, right? It's viral traffic. It's a way for you to, again, really leverage when you get someone into your product funnel, right? So you should have a social media presence so that, again, people can share what it is that you are offering them. Okay, no retargeting on social media. So, it's not enough, again, to just email and just say, well, they're just not going to buy. No, what you want to do is to make sure that you're taking, and again, the cost is so minimal, right? You should understand retargeting to the point where you should be retargeting your buyers. And in some cases, some marketers say that the retargeting list is even more valuable than your email list, right? Or at least as valuable. That if the money is in the list, it's certainly in the retargeting list. Okay, and then we talked about this before, and I want to segregate this one point that your affiliates are always going to be looking for bonuses to offer their customers. You should give them the bonuses. Don't make them search for them. Give them the opportunity. And now you're going to have to find some master resale rights. We have some resources at the end of the course here. Make sure that you give your affiliates the bonuses so that they, and in most cases, you can even create the page for them. So that all they have to do is put in their affiliate link so that they can maximize their promotion for you. Okay, so these were the 10 potential profit leaks. You want to make sure these things are closed up so that you can get the maximum amount of profit in each launch. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.